Looked good.
Good.
Where are we?
We're at my house, my $3,000 trailer. It's also called Tweety Birdhouse because the yellow came out a little bit too yellow. That's my hedge there. My gardening tools are so good I use just regular scissors and trim the hedge.
Let's go inside.
Alright, nice ferns, huh? Best ones in the neighborhood. Welcome, Josh, and don't bump your head. Remember, it's a trailer. This is the old AstroTurf room. Now we have a tile floor. Got that in Costa Rica. Did you ever see that before?
Hadn't.
I think I have that.
I don't remember, but I like it. I've got a couple turtles myself.
People left me most of the furniture here because I was just renting a room before. So here's the dangerous part where you might bump your head, so be careful. Oh, you got to turn around so you can take a look at the lake that you were just at, because there's the good view, right from in my living room. This is the living room, TV room. That's the kitchen over there.
I'll go ahead and I'll follow you.
Most of the people just left. They left most of the stuff in here, so I didn't have to get any furniture really. And let's go. Here's my piano, washer and dryer, and the laundry room. This is all the spare room side of the house. Spare bathroom, guest room. That room I left pretty much like it was, so that's kind of what the trailer looked like.
Right.
And I made a hole in the wall here, stuck so I could put my furniture in here.
Nice.
And that's it. This has a nice round window, but I blocked it all off with looks like born again curtains, don't they, with all the fish on them?
Right.
And then there's the other lake out there.
Oh, there. Yes.
Anyway, that's this room.
So this is the guest room.
Well, it would have been your room, but you're not staying tonight. So too bad.
That was back home in her native Germany.
And now we're going to go into the rest of the place, which isn't much else, just my bedroom and bathroom.
Let me get the kitchen a little here.
Okay. Yeah, I got this really good method from Josh to do my cupboards.
A little faux paint.
Faux painting. It was really easy to do too. It's my bedroom. Built-in dresser. A la trailer 1971. And master bathroom. I wonder if there's good enough light in here to see any of this stuff. And that is the whole house. Big bathroom though, huh?
It is. You don't need much. Play us something on the piano.
Okay, I'll turn the light off in here.
Go ahead.
All I have up here is Christmas music. You want a Christmas song or something else? I don't need music. I'll just play a song.
All right.
Stacy brought that to me on the airplane.
It made it.
It was Grandma's.
Wow.
And I said, "What do you want?" And I said, "I want that." And then I forgot it, or she ran onto the plane. I mean, it was almost leaving and brought that to me. It was very cool.
Oh, that is cool.
I don't know how she got on. You gonna sing?
Nope.